Hey, what is up guys? In this video I'll be mentioning some of the best rugged tablets of 2023. If you're new here and you're interested in videos like this, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig into it. So first on my list is the Blackview Active 8 Pro. In my opinion, this tablet packs the best specs. It is equipped with a 22,000 mAh battery, the biggest battery on any tablet. Such a really huge battery is expected to last up to a week on a single charge, guys. This is basically a power bank. You could use this tablet to charge other smartphones without any worry, okay? And it ships with a 33 watt fast charger. The device is also powered by the Helio G99, MediaTek's most powerful and efficient 4G processor. It packs 8GB of RAM that is expandable and up to 256GB internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via SD. The device also features a single 48MP rear camera and a 16MP front-facing camera. The display is 10.36 inches. It's a full HD plus display, and the display is protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. This tablet is packed, guys. The device also runs on the latest Android 13. It is IP68 and IP69K rated. It is also military standard 810H certified, which means this device is resistant to water, dust, high pressure water, shock, and so on. It is perfect for outdoor use. So these are some of the top features of the Blackview Active 8 Pro. In my opinion, it is one of the best rugged tablets of 2023. Moving on to the next tablet on our list, which is the AGM Part P1. The Part P1 is also packed with impressive features, guys. Just like the Blackview Active 8 Pro, it is powered by the Helio G99 and it is IP68 waterproof. It is not IP69K certified though, but this device is resistant to water and dust. The device also runs on the latest Android 13. Although its battery is not as big as that of the Active 8 Pro, its battery is still really large. It's a 7,000 mAh battery and it supports fast charging. The device also supports other features, which includes keyboard. The Active 8 Pro also supports keyboard, by the way. It supports glove mode, which the Active 8 Pro also supports, and the device, I believe, might support NFC, but that isn't mentioned. It has the same display as the Active 8 Pro, a 10.36 inch full HD plus display, and in the camera department the device has an 8MP main camera and a 5MP front facing camera. So these are some of the top features of the AGM Part P1. The tablet is actually very affordable. It costs just $215. The Active 8 Pro is about $300, which is expected because the Active 8 Pro packs better specs than this tablet, but the AGM Part P1 is still one of the best rugged tablets of 2023. Now let's move on to the next rugged tablet on our list, which is the Alcatel R26. This is the latest rugged tablet from Alcatel. It is also the latest in the RT series. The tablet also packs a really big battery, guys. It's very big. Not as big as the Active 8 Pro's battery, but it's almost as big as the Active 8 Pro's battery. It's a 20,000 mAh battery, guys. 20,000 mAh. This battery is also expected to last a week on a single charge. The device has a 10.1 inch full HD plus display. As opposed to the Active 8 Pro with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection, this phone doesn't have any Gorilla Glass protection. It also utilizes 8GB of RAM and it packs a 256GB internal storage. The device also runs on the latest Android 13, but it is powered by the MediaTek MTK8788 processor, which is a low-end processor, guys. The Active 8 Pro and the AGM Part P1 are much more powerful rugged tablets. The Part P1 and the Active 8 Pro are expected to perform better than the Alcatel R26. In the camera department, the R26 packs a 16MP rear camera and a 16MP front-facing camera. It's also a very heavy tablet, just like the Active 8 Pro. It is very heavy. I think it weighs almost 2 pounds. The Active 8 Pro weighs over 2 pounds, guys. The Active 8 Pro and the R26 are very heavy tablets because of their huge batteries and rugged designs. So the R26 is expected to be cheaper than the Active 8 Pro, but I do not know its official price yet because it's a brand new tablet device. Other notables includes the Alcatel R23 and the Humidigi Active T1. Can't really talk about the Active T1 because the device is coming very soon. It hasn't been announced by Humidigi yet, but it's expected to be released this month. If it is released, I'll update you guys. So these are some of the best rugged tablets of 2023 in my opinion. If you know of any rugged tablet with a much more better specs or similar specs as these tablets, then feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.